Good morning everyone. Today I'll be discussing about different SQL commands. So first you have to install your SQL. You can just see the description box how to install and how to download the MySQL. So I am first opening my MySQL command line client. So this is my MySQL 5.5 command line client. I'll be writing my password. So after that you can see MySQL command prompt. I am writing all my command set in MySQL. So first command is show databases. What is the use of show databases? Show databases will show all the databases in my system. That means all the databases I already created, all the default databases in my MySQL. So I'm just pressing enter. Now you can just see an arrow only. Why this is happening? Because I forgot to put the semicolon. So I'll just put the semicolon and entering again. So you can see all the databases in my system. You can see the different databases already created in my system. Now if you want to create a new database, how you will create a new database? So how to create a new database? The syntax for that is create database name. So create and database are keywords in MySQL, and database name is the name that I want to give for my database. So I'm writing the command create database space database name. So I'm just writing school. This is my name, database name, entering the semicolon. So you can see query is okay, one row affected. That means the data I entered, the query I entered is correct. So already that school database is created in my SQL. So how can I check whether it is created or not? For that I have to again write the command show databases. Show databases. Now you can see the school database is created. Next we are coming to the third command, use database. What is the use of use database? Use command is used to if you want to come into your original database and if you want to create some tables inside one database, how you will do that? For that you can see that we have different databases in MySQL. So I just want to start working in a particular database. For that we are using a use database command. So I am writing use my database name school. Okay, so here there is a small correction. You have to write database name. Database name. Okay, so use school. This is the command to use a particular database in your system. So I am pressing enter, database change. The result I got, database change. Now I am working in school database. Next command is how to create a table in a database. So for that the command is create table, table name, the table name that we want to put for your table, and inside the parenthesis you can write column name, the data type, column 2, the data type. Like that you can add any number of columns. So I am writing the command create table, table name I am writing student. My table name is student. So inside I want to create a table student with 3 columns. So I am writing the column names. Roll number is my first column and I am writing the data type integer, comma. My second column name is name. So name will be of character data type. So I am writing character of, I am giving the size of 100. Next my column name is mark. So it can be float. I am writing float over there. Then closing the parenthesis, entering semicolon. So I got the result, query is okay, 0 rows affected. So now I created a table student inside my database school. How can I see my tables? For that, next command, show tables. Show tables. You can see tables in school. So school is my database and student. If I am just writing another table, creating another table, I am just changing the command, create table. Just I am writing hello. My next table name is hello. So just showing that I am putting the same column values, enter. You can see the query is okay. Again I am trying my show tables command. You can see tables in school, hello and student. Okay, so today we studied about 5 commands, show databases, to show all the databases in your system. Next is create database, how to create a new database with the command create database, database name. The third command, use database name to use a particular database. Fourth command, create table, how to create a table in your database and how to show the tables in your database. Okay, see you.